Guys, what is happening? Welcome back. Today I'm heading over to ASAP Automotive. I'll be taking the Honda minivan and I'm going to be working on today some simple stuff. Going to be doing the LED lights inside the vehicle. Now I'll show you what I got. I'll leave a link in the description. This is something that anyone can do at home. It's fairly easy to do. Even me, who's scared of electric stuff and electricity, even I can do this. So I'll show you guys what's going on. So guys, there's a few things you're gonna need to be able to do this. The first thing is you're gonna need some LEDs. And I picked these up on eBay. It was just a cheap kit that I found. And as you can see, it's just a pack of some LED bulbs. And I already did 2 of them because I wanted to test it out to make sure that I know what I'm doing. So as you can see, I swapped these out. They look really nice. It's actually made the car brighter. As you can see back there, those are the old ones. You can see the different color. If you look at here, how it's a totally different color and is so much brighter because they're LEDs. Now there's a couple of tools you're gonna need for this, and this is totally up to you. I went on eBay, and you can probably find these on Amazon too. I picked up, which I've had before, are these interior molding removal tools right here. It just makes it a lot easier to get up inside here. I've used a butter knife before, so if you've got a butter knife at home, you can try that. A nice flat screwdriver will work as well. But you don't want to jam on it too much with the metal because at the end of the day, you don't want to break these, you know? So just to give you an example, I'm going to do this one up here. It's fairly straightforward, like I said. Just got to get the tool in there, kind of jimmy it, and stick the other bulb in. So let's do it. Now guys, I'm going to try to do this with holding the camera. I don't know if I'm going to be able to. I hope you guys can see this because I can't see nothing except for this. See, as you can see, it just pops right out. There's the bulb right over there. I'm going to pull that out, put the new one in. It should be good to go. So I'm just pulling the bulb out, which looks like this. I used that removal tool to kind of jimmy in there and pull it out. Now I'm going to grab the bulb from the bag. So this is the one that's going to go in there. That's what it looks like. It's just easy. It just pops right in and you're good to go. It only fits kind of like one way. This little bit here with the yellow is facing down. So let's pop these in and see if this works. So again, I don't know if you can see this or not. Knowing my luck, I'm probably going to drop this. But let's see. Just pop them in. Test it out. There we go. Boom. Works. So as you can see, this is a fairly, easy upgrade. There's not much to it. You just got to go in, pop them all out. I'm going to do all of them. Also got to do the back where the license plate is. So all this is going to be LED'd out. I'm looking forward to it. It's going to make things so much nicer because I really hate that other old yellow stuff. Again, I'll leave a link in the description for the tools that I use. Unfortunately, these tools that I bought, I bought these on eBay. And honestly, it took 4 months to get here. They were so cheap. I think they're like $2, but it's not worth it. So if I can find something equivalent, I'll leave a link in the description, and also leave in the description for these LED bulbs that I got for this 2006 Honda minivan. So guys, I got these 2 done, and the back one's all done, as you can see. Actually, I gotta go turn that one off. But a reminder too, when you put those LED bulbs in, it doesn't light up. The chances are you put it in the wrong way. Just gotta take it out, flip it, put it back in, and try again. And it should work out, man. Very, very easy to do. It's a great mod to do as well. So guys, we're at My Town Auto Body, where Bao has got his coupe in. And there's been a lot of work done. We didn't bother coming in the last 2 days because so much to do, but as you can see, he's cleaning up the engine bay alley. He's got this side pretty much done, ready for paint. He's working on the other side. This thing's gonna be so nice when it's done, but like I said, a lot of work's being done. Now we got to figure out the color. That's up to Bao, what he wants to do. I said go with a nice candy apple, but we'll see. We'll see what he wants to do. But we just came up here just to check the progress on the car, make sure everything's going well. Obviously, there's still a lot of work to be done. All this has got to be all done. Still got to work on patching a bunch of stuff. But in the meantime, like I said, a lot of work's been done. It looks really good. Really happy with the progress. Big shout out to My Town Auto Body for kind of helping us out on this project. If you guys want work done, check them out. So that's great progress on the car. We're heading back to the shop. I got to finish off doing the LED bulbs. I need help with the back ones. So I'm not sure what I want to do. I don't want to break anything. Bao's going to help me out. But yeah, man, it's good. It's good. Good opportunity to meet and work with some new companies. It's a new auto collision shop that opened up in the area. Again, it's My Town. Here's their contact information. So if you're in the area, give them a call. There it is, right there. Give them a call. My Town Auto Collision. And I'm pretty sure these guys will help you out. Just got home, guys, and before I kind of pack it in for the day, I wanted to show you guys the tools. You know, I probably showed you already, but these are the tools that I picked up really cheap on eBay. Like I said, I'll leave a link in the description for you if you really want to, if I can find them. I bought these like 2 years ago. They're really dirt cheap. They come in really handy, but they took forever to get here. It took a little older, I think more than 3 months. So again, I've got friends that bought tools on eBay and on Amazon. I can recommend something. I'll leave a link in the description. But these came in really handy today. I got all the bulbs pretty much done, except for the back license plate ones, because I wasn't sure how to get those caps off. And I'm just so tied up today. I was at the shop there, you saw, at my town, looking at the Mustang with Val, trying to figure out a color for that and just talking through that. Got back and just was helping at the shop. A couple of customers came in and needed a hand moving stuff here and there. So it was good. A good day today. Looking forward to the rest of the day. Not going to be doing much car stuff just because the weather's getting pretty whatever, so I can't do anything. This Mustang here, I've got to work on it. I really want to paint in interior parts, but I'm just waiting for a couple of applications that have gone in for me to get some discounts. So once I get that, I'll start buying stuff for this car. The seat on this, I got to figure out. This seat is done. It's totally messed up. I got that to support the back, so I'm looking at getting some seats. I'm seeing what the options are. These ones are out of a newer Mustang, so I don't even have the bottom brackets for those, so they sit really low. So I get brackets and I gotta get seats. So if anyone knows of anything, let me know, you know what I mean? But that's pretty much it, guys. I had a really awesome day today. It was really fun working in the shop, getting a whole bunch of stuff done. But man, if you guys like the video, please click on the like button, share it. Please subscribe to the channel. That we stay up to date with the latest greatest information. I'll see you guys next time.